Alright, this is just a quick video on how to disable the VSR or the voltage sensing relay that's inbuilt in the Sargent power management systems in a lot of your European style motorhomes and caravans. This particular model is an EC700. We've did quite a substantial upgrade on this particular motorhome, which I'll show in another video, and part of that upgrade is a DC to DC charger. So the problem is if you leave the existing VSR connected in this Sargent unit, the DC to DC charger will kick in and out because it'll see a false voltage that's coming off the alternator. And also in this particular case we've gone from AGM to a lithium battery, so they are different charge profiles. So basically what you need to do is the power supply that comes off the house battery back into the Sargent unit, which are these two brown with blue wires which go to that green plug, which is E8. You need to cut the two of them, go through 87 and 87A and pin 30 on the relay. The 86 on the relay, I've gone to the white with an orange trace, which is the earth off the house batteries, and pin 85 goes to, if you can just see it there, that pin there, which is plug E6, pin 4, which is the furthest one out from the board, or from the center of the board. That gets an ignition supply when the engine's running, so that'll trigger this relay. It'll open circuit this house battery voltage, so it allows all the safety mechanisms, like all the house lights turn off, step comes in as per the requirements, but it just doesn't allow voltage to come back out of the Sargent unit from the start battery down to the house batteries. It'll allow the DC to DC charger to do all the charging.